Print head's right here. You're gonna pull a little bit of this cable out. There's a couple inches of play here. This should lift straight out and rotate back and come out. You wanna check and clean this black strip right here. If there's any gunk buildup or anything like that, it could also just be damaged and not heating properly. To remove this print head, there's a little black notch inside of here, and there's one on the opposite side here. To remove it, you're actually just gonna squeeze up a little, like that, until that black notch is lined up with that little recess to come out, and the print head will actually slide forward and come out. You can then use the little bit of excess cable you got in the back to push down to get this to come up. You need to remove this grounding clip here, which will pull out, like that. And from the back side, easiest way to show is this way. This ribbon cable is going to come out. I personally use a small flathead and just lift up on the corner slightly, because it's actually, they're not in there that tight at all. And that pops out. Cable, that's the old print head. You put the new print head in, it's just the reverse of it. And that's how you replace the print head on the Zebra ZX P7.